In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access remote desktop over the internet. When most people first try to use remote desktop, it usually works easily on a local network, like at home or in the office. But things get confusing once you want to connect from outside, such as from a different location or over mobile data. That's exactly what we're going to clear up in this walkthrough. First, you'll want to make sure that remote desktop is actually enabled on the computer you want to control. On a Windows machine, open your system settings and look for remote desktop, turn it on, and confirm that this computer is allowed to accept remote connections. Make a quick note of the computer's name as it appears there, since you'll need it later when you connect. Next, confirm that the user account you plan to use has permission to connect remotely. In the remote desktop settings, there's an option to select which users can log in. Add your main account if it isn't already listed. It's also a good idea to set a strong password for that account, because you're going to be opening access from outside your network. Now, let's talk about your router, because this is where over the internet actually happens. Remote desktop typically uses port 3389. You'll need to log into your router's admin page and create a port forwarding rule that sends traffic on that port to the internal IP address of the computer you want to reach. Check your router's documentation if the interface looks unfamiliar, and be sure you're forwarding to the correct device on your network. Before leaving your network, find out your public IP address. You can do this by searching "What is my IP" in any browser on the computer that's connected to your home or office network. This is the address you'll type into the remote desktop app when you're away from home. If your internet provider changes your IP often, you might consider setting up a dynamic DNS service, but that's optional. Finally, from another computer or a mobile device outside your network, open the remote desktop client. Instead of typing the computer's local name, enter the public IP address, followed by your username and password. If everything is configured correctly, you should see the login screen for your remote computer and be able to use it just as if you were sitting right in front of it. Take your time with each step. Double-check your settings, and you'll have secure remote access over the internet up and running.